As you explore the boundaries of what's possible in EV design, you need a partner with a track record of success to help guide you along the way. When it comes to EV battery assembly and disassembly, 3M's wide portfolio of tapes and adhesives is uniquely positioned to offer you performance advantages in design, process, and automation. Currently, EV battery assembly is a time-intensive process, with careful consideration paid to efficient and protective cell packing. The use of adhesives and tapes in and around the battery pack can help speed up assembly time, while helping meet OEM requirements like shock absorption, automation, sealing, repairability, and disassembly. 3M offers adhesive solutions in both liquid and tape systems. These include pressure-sensitive tapes, UV-activated, and more. These solutions can help reduce weight, control costs, and optimize throughput across a wide range of application needs. Additionally, many of these systems can be automated, streamlining your processes for cell-to-cell, cell-to-pack, battery enclosure, frame sealing, and pack-to-chassis bonding. 3M tapes and adhesives have been tested and meet a wide range of industry standards. By utilizing our own internally developed testing capabilities, 3M is not only able to demonstrate compliance to existing requirements, but also help contribute to the establishment of new methods of testing to meet the ever-changing needs of the EV industry. When it comes to disassembly, 3M enclosure sealants have been specially designed to be opened, closed, and resealed, allowing for increased serviceability of the battery. To help achieve your battery design goals, 3M's team of experts can work alongside you bench to bench through each step of your process. In the design phase, our finite element analysis experts can help identify or model design challenges and help you make informed decisions. Next, we help make taking your design to process easier. The experts at our 3 bonding process centers worldwide can help you explore simulated surface preparation requirements and process line boundary conditions with our wide range of tapes and adhesives. When it's time to scale your design, 3M's bonding automation network can connect you with leading suppliers of automation and integration services to help bring your project to life. Ready to get started? Contact the experts at 3M to see how our tapes and adhesives can take your EV battery process to the next level.